How to register a business and tax ID for your Ecom store UK versus USA. First, for UK. Step 1. Decide your business structure. Choose one of two main options. Then register the business online. If you are a sole trader, then go to this website. Click on Start Now to register. After registration, HMRC will send your unique taxpayer reference or UTR by post within 10 working days. If you are a limited company, then go to this website. Click on Register Your Company Online with Companies House to register and pay £12 registration fee. For USA, first choose your state. You register your business in the state where you live or operate. For online-only businesses, you can choose any state. Go to your state's Secretary of State website to register. Example, for California, go to this website and register your business. Pay a registration fee. Varies by state. That's it. Thanks for watching.